In this video, I'll show you how to do the text pop effect in Davinci Resolve. Go over to the Effects tab. Ensure that you're in Titles. Grab the basic text and add it into your timeline. Then once in your timeline, now you can go ahead to edit the look of the text, so you could change the font family. You could change the size of the font. I'll keep it on medium. You could change the color if you want. And then you could change the size, as well as the letter spacing. From here, click Settings and ensure that your playhead is at the beginning of your text. Then you need to click the keyframe, and then you want to change this to 0.75. Then you want to go 3 places forward like this. Then you want to hit a keyframe and change this to 1.25. Then go 3 places forward again. And then you want to keyframe this as well and change this to 1. Now, take a look at what it looks like. If you want to edit this further, you can go to Title, and now you could add in whatever word you'd want. Then go ahead to adjust the length of the text, and then copy it, and click Paste. Now you have 2 different text clips with the same pop effect. Now click on the second one, you could change what it says. Then you could keep copying and then pasting and then changing the word till you're satisfied. Now let's take a final look at what this looks like. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.